Let us continue with next one. That is question number 9. Which one of the following forms propane nitrile? So they are asking that propane nitrile should be the product, and this propane nitrile is given by the structure CH3 CH2 C triple bond N. This is known as propane nitrile. They are telling that to get this propane nitrile as the major product, what should be the reactant? So here, when ethyl bromide, that is C2H5Br, when this ethyl bromide is made to react with alcoholic KCN, here when it is made to react with alcoholic KCN, we are going to get propane nitrile along with the formation of KBr. Hence, the correct option for the question is option A, that is ethyl bromide along with alcoholic KCN. Next one, question number 10. Benzylamine is a stronger base than aniline because, so let us write the structure of benzylamine, that is C6H5CH2NH2, and this is the structure of aniline. In aniline, we know that the lone pair of electrons present on nitrogen is involved in what? Cyclic delocalization. But the lone pair of electrons present on nitrogen in benzylamine is not involved in cyclic delocalization. Hence, benzylamine is more basic. When we go through with the options, here the lone pair of electrons on nitrogen atom in benzylamine is delocalized. No, that is wrong. The lone pair of electrons on nitrogen atom in aniline is delocalized. Yes, this is correct. Due to this particular reason, benzylamine is a stronger base than aniline, which is given by the option B. Next one, question number 11. Which one of the following gives amine on heating with amide? So, as we already know that amide gives amine, which is known as a named reaction called as Hoffman's bromamide reaction. Here, this reaction is carried out in the presence of bromine along with aqueous KOH, or it can be ethanolic KOH. Hence, the correct option for the question is option A, that is bromine in aqueous KOH. Here, don't consider bromine in alcoholic KOH. Here, the alcohol is specific, that is ethanolic KOH. Hence, the correct option is A. Next one, question number 12. An aromatic compound A, which is given by the formula C7H9N. So here it has been mentioned as what? C7H9N, an organic compound A, which is given by the formula C7H9N, on reacting with NaNO2 and HCl at 0 degrees Celsius forms benzyl alcohol. The number of isomers possible for the compound A is, okay, first let us write the reaction. C7H9N can be written as, it is nothing but what? Benzylamine. So this is 6 plus 1, 7 carbons. Hydrogens is 9, 2 plus 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 hydrogens and 1 nitrogen. This is known as what? It is benzylamine. So when this benzylamine is heated in the presence of NaNO2 and HCl at 0 degrees Celsius, which upon subjecting to hydrolysis, we get a compound called as benzyl alcohol. This is known as benzyl alcohol along with what? Nitrogen. Now, they are asking us to write the isomers of what? Benzyl amine. Here, benzyl amine has 5 isomers. The 5 isomers of benzylamine can be written as, first one with the parent compound, that is benzylamine is the first one. The second one is orthotoluidine, where this orthotoluidine consists of methyl group along with NH2. This is an isomer of benzylamine. Come on, check now. C7H9N. This is 6 plus 1, 7 carbons. Hydrogens are 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 1 N, orthotoluidine. So, first one is as usual with benzylamine. The second one, this is first isomer. Second isomer is orthotolidine. Third one is metatolidine. Means the same CH3 and the group is at NH2, that is metatolidine. So this is known as metatolidine, which is the third isomer. Added to this, we can write one more structure, that is paratolidine. So this is known as paratolidine. Paratolidine is the fourth isomer and the fifth isomer is written as N-methyl aniline. So this is the fifth isomer which is called as N-methyl aniline. Hence, benzylamine has how many isomers? 5 possible isomers, which is given by benzylamine, orthotolidine, metatolidine, paratolidine and N-methyl aniline. Hence, the correct option for the given question is what? Option A, which is given with 5 isomers.